Hey y'all, I'm back. Another video, another meal. Today I have cookout, and I just got a small junior burger tray, cheese, pickles, onions, lettuce, tomato. My sides are fries and nuggets, and I got a Sprite to drink. There's the tray. Nice portion of everything. Honey mustard sauce. I'm gonna show y'all the burger real quick. I totally forgot to get freaking mayonnaise, and I know I love mayonnaise. Here's the inside. Like the pickles. Why do I have 2 whole onions on this? North Carolina natives swear by cookout. Fries look good. They hot. It's so dump in that honey mustard. And until next time, I'll see y'all.